Hey y'all, it's Diane with Shellcraft One in my old barn door, and I have two new journals to add to the booth for Miss Susan Winland. And from the looks of the paper and the washi, I believe they're Christmas journals. So let's do a quick flip through. Okay, the first one is a beautiful ticking with a red bow. It's got this gorgeous vintage doily as the front, and it's covered in fabric. So there's a couple of different fabrics that it's covered in with the laces. Look at the pom-pom trims coming out of the bottom. Super cute. Let's take a peek. Okay, this is Red December Daily. It measures 7.5 by 5.5, and it has one signature with 68 pages. This allows a 2-page spread for each day in December. It's vintage style December Daily. She's used both new and vintage lace and trim, sewn fabric ruffles and lace pockets. I've also included vintage style numbers from 1 to 31 so you can number the pages if you'd like. The digitals are from Artie Mays, My Porch Prints, Calico Collage, and Miss Katie's Cuttables. Thank you and have fun with your journal. Okay, so Susie always puts a free gift in her journals, so I don't usually open those. So let's just take a peek. Cute little guest check there with the Santa on it. I love the red and white that she's used. You have a tag there. That's a vintage wallpaper, I believe. The tag there. This is clipped in with a paper clip. You have a cute little pocket here. Little cluster there. Love the candy canes. And then you have some pretty trim here. 2 different kinds of trim. A little tuck there with the tag. Oh, I love the way she did her tag. Super cute. I love these papers with the little boy and girl. And then you have a tag there. Little flip here. Oh, I love this red ticking. Absolutely love it. So she's got reds, greens, and creams in there. Holly Jolly. Love the washi, and she's got lots of stamping. Beautiful stitched tag. There's the pom-pom trim. Oh, it's in the center of the signature. Super cute. Oh, you've got a cute little cutout there of a Santa. That's adorable. Very pretty journal. These are perfect for December dailies. I love this little label, and then you've got a couple of tags tucked in the little sack. Little glassine sack there. And then in the very back pocket you have another pretty little stitch tag. Well, I think it's a faux stitch. Okay, so that one is called Red December Daily, and that's how you'll find it in the shop. Let's pull this one in, make sure I'm in frame. So I love how she's made a little pocket on the front of this. She's kind of built up with layers, and you have little goodies tucked into the pocket there. It's tied with a green ribbon. It's a fabric hardcover, got lace on the spine, and then this beautiful plaid flannel type fabric for the back cover. Okay, there's your gift and my information. This one's called a Green December Daily, measures 7.5 by 5.5, Has one signature with 68 pages. The digitals she used are from Artie Mae's My Porch Prints, Calico, Collage, and Miss Katie's Cuttables. Okay. Sweet little green tag there. Oh, we've got bumble fingers today. Super cute. Oh, I love the way she did this with the little flip there on that journaling card. Oh my goodness, y'all, my brain is not working today. I can't talk. Oh, I love the way she did this. Very vintage little piece of trim here, and she's ruffled it and put rickrack on top of it. Cute little belly band here. If I can get it out, you have a little journaling card there. I love all the Christmassy washies and stamps that she's used in here. Everything for your Christmas tree. The little page tabs are super cute. Got a little journaling card there. This one has the pom-poms on the bottom too, at the center signature. Sweet little tag. Oh, how cute is he? I love him. Cute little pocket. Little tag there. Not tag. It's not a tag. And it was dangles on the center of the signature. There's your fabric flip in this one. Super cute. Okay, we're stuck together just a little bit here. There we go. I love her coffee dyed pages. These are perfect for December dailies, and it gives you just enough so that you can finish it, you know, in that 1 month, and you feel like you've accomplished something by finishing it. This feels like there might be something in there, but I can't tell for sure. But I'm not taking it off because, you know, y'all know, bumble fingers. Okay, let's see. See, just like that. Fumble fingers. Okay, and then in the very back pocket, you have a sweet little tag with a tag dangling from the top. Love that. So this one is called the Green December Daily, and that's how you'll find it in the shop. If you have any comments or questions for me or Susan, you can leave them in the comment box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for me if you will, and I hope y'all have a great day. Big hugs.